Let me see. Can me help you? Here, let me finish your face. Take it all up. Oh, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. You look in the little Sully mirror? Or is that Sully or Mike?
Mike.
It's Mike. Mike Wazowski.
Yeah.
You look like you got a bruise all over your face. Because it's all blue. We can play with this in the bath, okay? No, leave that there. No, this is for the bathtub. That's for your hair. For the bath.
You're a bath.
Yeah, your hair. Let me see your face. I'll take all this blue off.
Stop.
Stop. Let me see.
Oh,
Wait, your ear. You got some on your ear.
these.
Look, you got some on your ear. Hold on.
Look. That way. They look that way.
Yeah, look that way. All right, come on. Let's go play. Love you.
How are you? Mike Ayowski.
Mike Wazowski. And there's Sully.